So welcome to a little tutorial on how to set up the STREAKK Wallet, which just got available in the App Store. This is how it looks like, and Android to come every moment. So as I already downloaded it, I just have to open it, and I will allow to send messages because full communication is happening through this beautiful wallet. Sorry. That is the welcome screen, your keys, your crypto. The main idea of decentralization, of course, private keys never leave your device. And now I have two options: to create a brand new wallet, which most of you will do, or already having a wallet and I want to recover. This can be a STREAKK wallet you had before. That can be any other decentralized wallet. You just add the seed words and then all your assets are kind of mirrored and also available on the STREAKK wallet. So let's go straight forward into creating a new wallet. First, I have a chance to read the privacy policy and the terms of service, which I already did. Once this is done, I can click down below that I have read and accept, and I continue. And now the next step, of course, the most important one in the decentralized world is those seed words, this secret phrase of 12 words, which comes directly from the blockchain out of 2048 words it's generated. And that you need to keep in a safe place, which means not doing a screenshot, not put it as pictures somewhere, but write it down, put it in a safe, in a trezor, give it to your grandma, whatever. Make sure no one has access to the 12 words, because this is all what it needs to restore a wallet and basically to make use of your assets. So I have read and accept the terms. I'm sure that I'm not sharing my secret phrase to anybody and I'm fully responsible. Continue, and now what happens is those 12 words are being shown. I take a picture now with my other mobile phone, and of course I will delete this app right after. And once I have wrote it down, again, do not share with anybody, I click to continue and I prove that I have wrote down, because I have to bring the 12 words in the same order which were saying. Which was showing, which means orange, and then we have the plug. Next one is awkward, then we have adapt, then we have lend, then we have receive, we have crowd, we have exist, and liberty, primary, chunk, and kiwi. I click continue. The wallet will check if I did my homework correct, and I get congratulations, my wallet is created. Okay. So in the starting screen, I see a bunch of cryptos, which are very common. And I have the option to send, to receive, and to go to some settings. Most important is, of course, I want to manage. Manage means basically I want to change the order. I need the Tether more up, for example, and the STREAKK, of course, is the number one. I click on update, and that way it shows here. Now I want to have more assets here, as also the staking option coming alive within August itself is offering on more coins. You see, those which are marked are already available, but let's say I also want to make use of Mr. Shiba. I want to have the Chainlink. I want to use the Ape coin, just as an example. I even can add, as you can see down below, a custom token, which I click here, and then I need the smart contract address and some details, and then I can more or less add any kind of token right now, providing the Ethereum, the Binance Smart Chain, and the Tron network. Going back, and now you see my updated one, the Shiba, the Chainlink, the Ape coin are here. I can send. Of course, right now I cannot, because there are no assets. I can receive. I can click on a certain coin to, for example, tell people, look, I need Bitcoins from your end, and I click on receive, and I get my wallet address as well, the QR code, which I can share right out of the app. And I will do another video showing you having assets on it, how to send. We already have people trying it since yesterday, and they are so blessed by the speed of this wallet. Coming next is the notes scenario. It's a click down in the center, which gives you the node balance and the rewards once our amazing staking opportunity is going to start. All right, settings, you can set a security pin, which makes sense, of course. Push notifications, you can choose what currency should be, what fiat currency should be used. in order to show your values. And you have the direct links to the official community channels of Telegram, Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, Twitter. All right, that's it. More videos to come. Lots of fun and success and great staking rewards with Streak. Cheerio, bye from Dubai.